Hello everyone. Today I bring up a new video on the topic of adding the navigation buttons in the Power BI. So let's begin our video. Um, this is the idea is to add the navigation page for your individual pages in the Power BI. Suppose I have this report in my dashboard report. I have page one, which has some certain visual, which is about the cadence calendar. Second page is just about the status of my reports and the stuff like that. And third page, on the third page, I want to make it as a landing page for my report. Suppose I want to share this report with the number of audience for which all the pages are not necessarily important or they are not interested to view all the pages. So my individuals who want to see some specific content of the dashboard report, I will prepare a landing page in the Power BI. So this landing page will entitle them to just check their relevant page. For example, if one person he is interested only the page one, which can be project cash flow, which can be project schedule, which can be about the quality, so he can just want to see his specific content. So I will make a navigation button for him. You can change the name of navigator. I am just making it page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. So you can change the name of pages and so on. I will teach you how to do that one. So I have make this navigation buttons, and once these are in place, that specific person will able to access that page only, and he can view the report relevant to his subject area. So let's I will just first of all I will just delete all of these mm, navigations buttons. So now I have this canvas page in front of me. You can change the settings of your canvas background. You can change the color of your background. You can even insert the image on your landing page, and you can do multiple things for your canvas setting. So I just leave up to you guys how you want to arrange it, but you can browse the image from here. You can change the color of your canvas from here. You can increase or decrease the transparency, right? Similarly, you can add the wallpaper. So you need to understand what is the difference between the wallpaper and the canvas. So canvas is the area where I am doing my all the visuals I will install on my canvas area, and the wallpaper is the area which is behind the canvas, right? So wallpaper is area which is covering the whole thing, right? Now you can see as soon as I have changed the color, now the whole thing, the whole screen of my Power BI has a different color which I am assigning in the wallpaper, right? So this is just a background. This color, whatever the color you will choose in the wallpaper, that will give a mixture with your canvas page color. So it will give you, as you can see, as soon as I'm changing the color, the combination of my wallpaper color and the canvas paper color is mixing together. Anyways, so this is the setting for the wallpaper. For the wallpaper, you can also do the same stuff as you can do with the canvas setting. So, in order to add the navigation buttons for your existing pages, for example, you have 10 pages for your dashboard report, you can insert all those 10 pages in your one landing page. So, what you will have to do, you will go to the insert tab over here. Then you can go to the buttons in the bottom of this pan. You can select the page navigator, right? As soon as you will select the page navigator, immediately all the pages button will be appearing in front of you, right? So in my report there are three pages, and now you can see all the three, page 1, page 2, page 3 are displayed on my canvas, right? So now from here you can change the style or shape of your buttons, right? If I don't like rectangle, I can give them a different shape. whatever the shape, there are multiple options available. Whatever the shape you want to choose from here, you can choose it from here. So I will just select it as rectangle for the time being. Then you can make your r- corners of your rectangle rounded as much as you want to, right? I will just make it around 50. Then you can give a rotation to your shape. I will just keep by default setting, which is 0. Then you can select the style. In the style, there are options to hover, make it hover, or press, or select it. Whatever the option you will choose from here, that will be applicable over here. I will keep it as default, which is the selection option. Then you can change the color of your sorry, the text of your buttons. So text of my button is very small, so I will increase it. I will make it bold. If you want to change the color of your text, you can change it or make it similar to your canvas color. You can change the fill option is here. So in the fill option, you can change the fill background fill of this button. So I will choose some contrasting color, which is this one. Then you can change the border setting as well. Make the different color for your border line. You can increase the width of your border line. Then you can show the shadow of your buttons, the glow. Different options are available for the button setting itself, right? In the pages, you can see, show the hidden pages. You can show if there are some hidden pages, you can show the hidden pages as well. You can hide the hidden pages as well. Show all by default, you can choose this option. By default, all the pages button will be displayed here if you will select this option. Then you can select the page layout. Currently this is horizontal. If you want it to make it vertical, you can convert it to the vertical as this, right? So this is how you will do the setting of your buttons on the landing page. You can change the shape, color, you can change the shape, format, style, and everything. Whatever you want to do it, you can increase the number of grids here, so number of button can be placed over here, right? So this is what you can do and how you can add the navigation buttons in your landing page. Here are some further setting for your settings for your buttons here. Now this is about the page navigation, how you can add the navigation button in one landing page, right? So what if you want to add a separate button on your landing page which can be linked to some web page, one specific one page, or you want to link it with one SharePoint web page from where the document has to be navigated in order to, rather than going to some specific location in the SharePoint. So all that stuff you can do it directly on the landing page, right? So I will show you how you can do that. Again, you will go to the insert under the buttons. You can go to the different options. So I will select a blank button, right? So this blank button has been added. You can move it. You can change the shape of this blank button as well as you can do for the navigation buttons. So for example, I can select again the navigation options. You can select the change the shape of your navigation button. You can make it rounded shape. You can add the rotation to the button as you can do it for your navigation button. You can select the style of your navigation button, right? You can add the text in here in order to insert the text. Let's say it is a some web page, so I will write the URL of my web page, which is centro email. You can then increase the size of font. I will make it bold. I will keep it full black color, right? Then you can show some icons in here. I don't want to show it. Then you can make the fill on, add a specific color to your same. I will keep the same as of my navigation buttons. um, Make it more darker, right? Then you can select the image as a background of your button. I will keep it as it is. Transparency, I don't want to show the background image of canvas, so I will make the transparency 0. Then I don't want to show the shadow on the button. I don't want to show the glow on the button. Then this is the important thing. In the action button in here, you will see currently my action is off, right? So what is the action? Action is the thing which I want to make a web link with this button. Currently it is off, which means there is no web page linked to this specific button. I want to add my YouTube channel link to this button, right? Whenever the audience will come and if they will click this button, they will directly navigate to my YouTube page. So I will make this action button as on. So as soon as I will make it on, you can select the type of your back. Is it a back? Is it a bookmark? Is it a drill through? Is it a page navigator? It is a question answer question tab. It is a web URL, or you want to apply the slicer. So I am going to select web URL because I want to link this button to my YouTube channel. So I will select this web URL. As soon as I have selected the web URL, you can see this web URL is in place now, which means I can just simply paste the link of my YouTube channel over here. Once I have pasted the link over here, now my button will be linked to my YouTube channel. So after doing this, this is active now, right? Now that's it. So I have added the page navigation buttons, and I have added another button for the management to directly jump to some web URL page. So now, in order to in just keep in mind, in order to access the web URL page button, you will have to press the control button and then you will click this button, right? So as soon as I am clicking this button, the my web page is not opening because I am just on this window. So by default, as soon as you will link, as you can see, it is showing control plus click here. You will control, press the control and you will click this button. Your web page will be opened over here, which I am not able to show you because I am selecting a recording of window here. Similarly, you can select the page button, press here, it will directly go to the page one. Then if I will click control button and then I will click this button, it will directly go to the page one. So this is how page navigation buttons works, right? And this is the end of my today's video for page navigators and adding the links of web pages in the navigation button for the Power BI. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos and any consultation, please go to my website, which is centropmo.com, and you can just ask for any consultation, whatever is required. Thank you very much for watching my video.